That's too small now. But shit, why am I looking? I know how to do mince. I know how to do mince.
We know you know how to mince. Ha!
How many times have you watched the Star Wars movie where Darth Vader says, "Luke, I'm your father," or not? He doesn't say that. And how many times have you heard people quote that line? You've heard people quote that line a lot more. So that's why you misremember the line, is because you hear the quote more than you have watched the film.
Except that I don't misremember lines because I'm a bit autistic.
That bit.
Yeah, like if you wanted the kid to be like big, and you'd be like, oh shit, have sex with the big guy. Get some of his like sperm added to the dough. They also have this like social structure where, because a kid doesn't have a single father, it's a single mother, and then the rest of the tribe is its father because she's fucked everyone. The kid then is therefore fathered by the whole community. I think there's some wisdom in that system. I mean, it doesn't hold up.
Well, Brazzers certainly thought so.
Yeah, the paleo diet there. Have a good diet, sure. Eat lots of veg, eat meat, whatever. We have developed as a society over 10,000 years to escape that diet.
I mean, the diet itself, take the attitude out of it, but the actual what they eat, I don't know if it's a solid enough diet. Like, it'll do you good to eat like that.
Yeah, but like, there's something as well. The idea that somehow cooking or processing your food is bad.
The problem is, all diets try and make it too complicated. Eat real food, 3 words, you're done. If you want to build that up, eat veg, eat meat, just eat stuff that isn't...
Make it yourself, right? That's it. But because it's in a packet, ready for you, I think that it makes people think that making the stuff is more complicated than it is. Like, I didn't realise how easy pasta was to make until the other day, and I was like, wow, not the gnocchi, the pasta. The pasta was actually really easy to make. It's like, it's so simple.
This is a very
2012,
uninteresting
that
shot,
wasn't
Luke.
easy. Oh,
Huh?
I'm sorry.
It's a very uninteresting shot. You've set it up, like, for a start, you got about 4 minutes of just Shay's face.
Well, I'm not going to use all the talking.
What's wrong with 4 minutes of Shay's face?
There's
Nothing.
nothing-
It's just it's a
wrong with
little
that?
visually uninteresting.
How dare you!
How did you find the meal?
Yeah, it was alright. I just realised that my jumper has a hole in it and the armpit though. It's kind of annoying.
It was crunchy.
Yeah, it's tasty. It was a little bit crunchier than it ought to be. And
Just make more wet stuff then.
Yeah, I think the meat was a little bit dry. In general, it was just a lack of moisture. You just needed to...
It was tasty though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it
Had good flavour.
Tasted fine. Needed more kick, maybe.
There's your
Moisture,
kick.
moisture.
There we go.